Hello everyone. Today I am in the beautiful hill town of McLeod Ganj in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh, and I am going to take you on a short walk to the Dalai Lama Temple Complex. I have just started from the McLeod Ganj Main Square, and from here I am walking on Temple Road, which take us directly to the temple. Let us begin our journey. There are many small cafes and restaurants. They serve delicious Tibetan food. Now look at the shop on both sides of the road. There are many small shops selling Tibetan handicraft like prayer wheels, singing bowl, Buddha statues. They are all handmade and looks so colorful. There are also shops for clothes and warm woolen items like scarf, jacket and caps, kurtas, perfect for the cold weather here. Some shops are selling souvenirs like bracelets, keychains, and a small gift. You can buy these to remember your visit. I also saw a few bookshop. They have books about Buddhism, the Dalai Lama, and Tibetan culture. If you love reading, you will enjoy these shops.
Nobody can go inside the residence. बंद नहीं है बोला जा ही नहीं सकता है.
The area around the Dalai Lama Temple Complex is imbued with a serene and spiritual atmosphere. Prayer flags flutter in the breeze, and the sound of monks chanting can often be heard, creating a peaceful environment that invites reflection and mindfulness. The area around the Dalai Lama Temple Complex is imbued with a serene and spiritual atmosphere. Prayer flags flutter in the breeze, and the sound of monks chanting can often be heard, creating a peaceful environment that invites reflection and mindfulness.
That's it for today blog. I hope you enjoy this small walk to the Dalai Lama Temple Complex. Please like and subscribe for upcoming videos.